Gonna start with skin. Start with skin. I don't have to talk on this part. Start with the skin. Start with. Hola, Chanellies. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is J-Lo, also known as J Chanelli on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I'm coming to you guys today because I want to show you dry fixed girls like me, anyone with dry skin. I want to show you guys how you can rock those matte foundations. I was focusing specifically on the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This was a collaboration with Alyssa Ashley, and Alyssa Ashley is one of my favorite YouTubers of all time, so I really wanted to buy this and support her. But I knew that this foundation was marketed as a super duper matte foundation. 24-hour wear, it has to be matte. And I have very dry skin, so I wanted to basically tweak this and see how I could make it work for my skin. So if you have dry skin or you just want to know how you can make matte foundations work for your skin, keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. We are almost at 6K, so hit that button right there. And hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first tip I have in order to make matte foundations work for you is to over moisturize. I'm going to literally put my moisturizer on 2 to 3 times. I'm literally packing as much moisture as I possibly can into my skin so that when I put a matte foundation on top of it, it'll have something to hold on to. You know, matte foundations like to suck the oils out of your skin, and if you have dry skin like me, you don't really have an excess of oils to just be given to your foundation. So that is why I over moisturize. I make sure that my skin is nice and hydrated. Then I go in with an oil to seal that moisture in. My second tip is to mix your foundation with oil. This is an old trick. It's a way to get your foundation to look more dewy, especially when you're dealing with a matte foundation. I'm adding 2 to 3 drops of my facial oil into this foundation and it works out perfectly. The third thing that I do regularly, but specifically when I'm wearing a matte foundation, is I don't set my face. I will set the parts of my face in which I use concealer. I won't go in with the foundation color powder for my face just because I'm already set. Like, I have zero transfer as it is, and I didn't even need to set my face with powder. The last thing would be to spray your face down. I'm using this rose water facial spray, and I'm literally spraying this every single time I use a powder product just to make sure it sinks into my skin and to make sure that my skin is getting the hydration that it needs. Those are all of my tips for making matte foundations work for you. If you have dry skin, go ahead and try these tips out and let me know in the comment section below which one works for you the best. You know, you can tweak this to whatever skin type you have. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.